Hi everyone, welcome to this video. Here I will demonstrate the Meatrol Excel data analysis template. I created this template for you to be able to analyze and visualize data that has been logged by any of the Meatrol energy loggers. This makes it quick and easy for you to generate reports without having to understand Excel in depth. So let's jump right in and see how it works. Okay, great. So when you open up a template, you will see this file. The first step is to click on the model of your meter, in this case the ME435, and then to select the source of the data. To do that, just click on anywhere on the table and click on Query and then on Edit, and this will open up Microsoft Power Query Editor. And the first step is to change the source and select your CSV file that you downloaded of the SD card of the meter, and just click on the gear icon. It will open up this dialog box, and then click on Browse and browse to the location of your CSV file and click on the CSV file and import, and then OK. And that will import the data from the CSV file into Excel, and then apply all these different steps to be able to transform the data and to analyze it in our reports. And it automatically applies all these steps, so you can just click on Close and Load, and that will import the data into Excel and generate this table relevant data. This table relevant data contains all the data we need to analyze and generate our graphs. So date, time, day of year, hour, minute, current, voltage, frequency, power, and energy. So let's go to our first graph here, first tab here called power. On the left here you'll see a selector or a slicer. This is for all the dates that has been recorded, so it shows data that is all the dates that it has, and here we've got a table that shows all the hours and the maximum power of each of the hours that has been recorded. And here on the here we see the graph visual representation of this table. So if you just want to display for one specific day, you just click on one day and you will see the data change there depending on the day you selected. And if you want to clear the filter and display all the days, just click on this clear filter icon, and that shows all the days again. So you can also go down to the minute, so just click the day you want to know and then expand this one specific hour, and you'll see minute by minute data of the power that has been used. Great, so that's the power graph. Our next graph is the power per phase, where this graph just showed all the three phases summarized. This shows it individually, so you can see per phase the amount of power that has been used. Again, we've got our slicer here on the left, where we can select a specific day and a specific hour, go into that detail, so you see here up to 24 hours. And let's say we select 8 o'clock in the morning on the 5th, and that will show per phase the amount of power that has been used, which is quite handy if you want to go into that detail. And here on the right hand side you'll see a visual representation of those three phases. So you can always just click and copy these graphs into a Word document and generate a report from there. Great, so the next graph is the energy. So it groups it by day, so you can just right click here and say collapse all entire field, and that will show the total of each day. The amount of energy that has been used each day. So for example, on this day, 5.3 kilowatt hours has been used. So it shows you in watt hours, and you can just convert it to kilowatt hours by dividing by 1,000. And again, if you just want to see a specific day, just click on the slicer here, and it shows the total for the day. And to see the usage per hour, just expand by clicking on this plus, and it shows 24 hours and the amount of energy used on each hour. Great. Our next graph is the voltage graph. So again, you can select a specific day and a specific hour, and also expand it to go down to per minute values. And you can see the free voltage on the three phases, how it has been logged and visualized on this graph. Great. And the last graph is current. Again, the same story of the selected date, selected hour, and the table showing the values and the graph visualizing all the values. Great, thank you for watching till the end. If you have any questions, comments or suggestions or features that you would like to see, let me know. Hope this has been helpful. Thank you.